two ships leave a port at the same time. So in this case we have two ships that we are dealing with. The first ship sails on a bearing of north 32 degrees east. So I'm going to place my point in a central location, and it's north east 32 degrees. So therefore I'm going to go towards the north, and I'm going to rotate towards the east, which is to the right. So therefore I need to be able to rotate towards the east 32 degrees. Let me make this will be 32. I'm going to divide this in 3 sections by placing 2 dashes, and 32 will be slightly more than 30. So that is the first ship at 16 knots. So they give you the speed. And the second on a bearing of south 58 degrees east. So from the same port there's a second ship that goes south. So let me go towards the south, and it's going towards southeast. So therefore I need to rotate towards the right 58 degrees. Once again I'm going to divide this in three sections by placing 2 dashes. 30, 60, so 58 will be slightly less than 60. How far are they after 2.5 hours? So let me go and connect them, because I need to be able to find the distance from one to another. Now remember that we are dealing with a 90-degree angle in this unit. And if you are careful enough, you'll be able to see let's go and label this. This is 32 degrees, and this is 58 degrees. If I add 58 plus 32 gives me 90. And since we have a straight angle, I know that this will be your other 90 degree. And we're looking for x. Now they do tell us the speed for each of the boats, and we know that it's 2.5 hours for each one. So therefore I can calculate the distance for each one. The distance for the first one will be rate times time. Rate is 60 knots at 2.5 hours, and if you multiply it together, that gives me 40. So for the first one will be 40 nautical miles, 40 miles. For the second one, I'm going to do the same thing. So distance is equal to the rate, which is how fast, which is 24, multiplied by the time, which is 2.5. And that gives me 60. I'm dealing with a right triangle, and I have two sides. I need to be able to find the missing side, which happens to be the hypotenuse. So c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. C is what I'm looking for. A will be 40 squared, and B will be 60 squared. A lot of the times I like to be able to type everything into the calculator at once, especially with the this calculator here. Makes it much easier. I'm going to take the square root on both sides to cancel it. So therefore C is equal to the square root of 40 plus 60 squared. 40 squared plus 60 squared, which gives me 72, which is letter A.